Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well today. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll share some important and interesting topic with you guys. First of all, I request you to all please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So now we're gonna start our today's topic. Topic's name is Truck Accident Attorney Dallas. Chicago crash injury attorney gain the support of generation of legal expertise to help you through a truck crash. Attorneys are committed to helping you and your family get maximum compensation. Dallas accident attorney injured in a car, truck or motorcycle accident, call today. See what you may be on when you get injured in a automobile vehicle. We get you the most financial compensation. Texas accident attorney. There is no fee until we win your case. Start with a free consultation. Don't fight alone. You may be entitled to compensation for your injury. Get the maximum settlement deserve. Motor vehicle injuries, car accident, truck crash vehicles. Fast and easy to beat speeding. Beating speeding since 2004. Speedticketbeaters.com provide customers speeding tickets defense nationwide, fighting speeding tickets since 2004 with custom speeding ticket defense. Don't wait. Dallas truck accident lawyer. The Dallas truck accident attorney at the Wild Law Firm will help you recover the money you deserve for your injuries. Click for a free case review. Dallas truck accident attorney at Kraft Associates PC, our legal team investigation and litigate accidents involving all type of commercial trucks including tractors, 18-wheelers. Dallas truck accident lawyers connecting the experienced Dallas truck accident lawyers. Accident injuries lawyers can provide you with the expertise needed. Truck accident attorney for the world. Texas injury law. At the Dallas, Texas law officer of Ted B. Associates, we help people move forward after truck accident have changed their life. Our own team. Truck accident Dallas lawyers. Our trusted legal team is led by an attorney with our 30 years of experience fighting off accident victims like you. We handle bus accidents in Dallas. Dallas truck accident lawyers free case review. If you have been injured in a truck or 18-wheeler accident, call our Dallas truck accident lawyers today. We are available 24/7 and charge no fee unless we win. Truck accident lawyers. Our Dallas trucking lawyers have the experience and legal knowledge to help truck accident victims get the maximum compensation. Truck accident lawyers Dallas. For word call or text 24/7. Lawyers, officers, injury attorney, 30 plus years in the court fighting trucking campaigns. Contact now to get help. 9724994813. Dallas truck accident attorney. Our attorney at LLP have experienced handling personal injuries. Associate truck for 18-wheelers. Taxes 1800. Truck lawyers 1800. Truck accident attorney 1800 truckaccident.com helping semi-truck victims win big free winning. Thanks for watching the videos. Have a nice